The other aspect is very alarming. There is a lot of social media posts, both which are actually using her real photograph and her name. And there are rampant social media posts which the family is running into. It is not only causing a lot of anguish, it is actually totally illegal.
It's
And this-
a crime.
It's
It's a crime.
It's section 70.
There's no point in us continuing to pass the same order. We've already passed one order.
May I make a
Now it's for the law
suggestion in that regard?
enforcement authorities to enforce that order
My
basically.
lords, may I
It's
make
only
just-
to
just a minute,
Wikipedia.
Just a minute. No, it's not Wikipedia. Please, I've given.
The
Just-
direction was
Yes, yes.
Wikipedia. Please
My lords may just have a look at this. May I make a suggestion? Because I don't think an order is going to actually stop people immediately from posting. It's very difficult for the family to go around litigating against each individual post that is being made. Can there be a nodal officer and an email ID that is provided by the Union of India? They themselves also review this repeatedly, and we can bring it to their attention as and when it comes to the family's attention, and then it can be swiftly taken down in accordance with law. It's very disturbing, the kind of pictures that are being put up.
And reels, my lords, using AI with her image.
My lords,
And
in fact,
making
there is
it a
just-
Hindi
let
film
me-
song.
Let me finish.
You have to ensure that the law enforcement authorities.
Lord, there's also
I
film.
won't go
We've already passed
Your
direction.
lordships have passed the general direction twice, so there is no point in repeating that. Lord, essentially, it would be the state subject, but if my learned friend gives me any link, Lord, will provide for Lord a particular
So Deveshji, actually now with the judicial order which we have passed, the state of West Bengal must also immediately contact all these social media sites.
we
which
will
are-
also do that.
It's an ongoing work which you have to continuously do, because it's not like you're contacting one
Yes.
media channel and saying that, look, you give this apology or something like that.
Threatening.
It's just
So, but
proliferating.
It multiplies.
we'll certainly look into it, Lord, but I believe at the national level, it has to be tackled.
My lords, that's
We will
I
do
have no
anything
difficulty,
between
Lord, I am
that and
agreeing
both the
immediately.
governments.
We'll give, my lord, one number. My learned friend, my lord, or anyone else, my lord, whoever finds
Yes.
that either name or depiction or
All right, so
photograph.
this part now you are between
Please.
you don't need an order from us.
There is
As in,
no-
My lord, just one more aspect.
issue.
We
Where
will
the
work-
commissioner of police, the ex-commissioner of police, who's now been transferred, he himself gave a press interview in which he disclosed the name.
My lord, before we
On the
move
very
to that,
same
can
day.
I just finish, please?
Yes.
With respect to this, there is also a film that is going to be released tomorrow on YouTube, which says that it is based on RG Kaur incident. I am not at all saying that nobody should speak, nobody should express themselves. That's not the submission. However, would that interfere with the investigation, which is at a very early and sensitive stage? Secondly, how has she been portrayed? Will it in any way be, and I've attached that screenshot also, because that's already being publicized on social media.
if some film is being released and you want to stop the release of the film, you have to take recourse to independent remedies in law.
I bowed on my lords. That's why I'm not making that. I'm only bringing it to the attention that this is, as my lord said, proliferating. If there is a nodal person appointed by the Union of India, it would then be someone we can contact or pass on the information for them to take action in accordance with law.
Mr. Solicitor, what you can do is that you can just identify, maybe in the cybercrime unit of the Ministry of Home Affairs or
Yes.
any appropriate agency, one nodal person who can be available for anybody to say that, well, this is the key.
It would be, my lord, it may not be Ministry of Home Affairs, it would be IT.
Methi.
IT.
Yes.
Meiti, my lord,
Meiti
we'll
will-
give the, my lord, one nodal
So
officer.
that you can
And if my learned
you
friend
can
can-
duly publicize it, and in which case, any clip which has to be pulled down,
Yes.
that intimation can be given by email or whatever to that particular
There is a system.
portal. Just put it into place and
Certainly.
My
No,
lords,
just the
one
appeal-
line in an order might be required, because on the last occasion, para 7 speaks specifically to
Only
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia.
What my lords had said in Shreya Singhal, and I was before my lords in that matter, is that takedowns can only happen by court order.
so we passed that order.
Yes, my lords. Yes.
We've already passed
Yes.
that order.
Well, coming back to the
No,
police.
my lords, that may be passed then in
No,
today's order.
last order.
That was
very-
specific-
No, it was
Specifically on
speaking about
Wikipedia, my lord.
Wikipedia, not
Only vis-a-vis
Just say
Wikipedia.
the
any
the
intermediary.